Because of dedicated craftsmen who each day work to offer us top-quality hardwood veneer and plywood, wood is more popular than ever in our homes. Let's take a look, step by step, how this true Canadian resource has changed our lives for the better. As soon as the logs arrive from the forest, they're classified by species, inspected, and kept under optimal humidity conditions to avoid any deterioration during the warm season. The first step is debarking. Taking great care not to damage the log, the bark is peeled off with the evenness that only the sure hands of an experienced technician can accomplish. The bark is recycled to be used as fuel or to be shredded into raw materials for other industries. The key to the operation, how and where a log should be cut, depends on the slicing method used to produce the veneer. Modern sawing methods allow us to place the log in the best position to obtain the highest quality without loss and, above all, without damaging the wood. Each log already identified or registered has its own barcode. This enables the different parts of the log to be easily identified at any time. The log will be cut in half, and each half will travel through each step of the process together. The next crucial step in the manufacture of quality veneer involves soaking the logs. To soften the fibers, which is necessary for uniform slicing, the cut logs are put into baths or steamers and completely submerged at temperatures ranging from 80 to 100 degrees Celsius for a period lasting anywhere from 12 to 72 hours. The success of the different cutting methods largely depends on the consistency of the wood fibers. Everything from the hardness of the wood and the size of the logs to the fragility of certain species of wood and weather conditions affects the water temperature for soaking. For maximum effectiveness, the log should be cut within an hour of soaking. At this point, the half or quarter logs can be sliced. To ensure that the veneer lots of the same tree are not separated, tags corresponding to a log's barcode are carefully attached and scrupulously verified at each stage of the process. Let's take a look at the different ways of cutting the wood. Flat slicing is the most common cutting method. The half log is positioned with the heart side flat against the flitch table, solidly held and analyzed to determine its particular features. The tools are then adjusted to best take advantage of each log's attributes. The operator then chooses the slicing speed based on the wood species, its hardness or fragility, and the thickness of the veneer required. This cut produces a light, multicolored, and very distinctive pattern. The slices obtained by this method are always uniform. The blades ensure a clean cut without damaging the wood, no matter what thickness is chosen. The half-round slicing is a variation of rotary cutting. The grain effects produced by this cut have the characteristics of both the rotary and flat-cut veneer. The cut slightly crosses the annual growth rings. Here again, veneer sheets are maintained in order as they emerge so that all parts of the original log are kept together. One by one, the slices of veneer carefully enter the dryer. They will dry evenly within a few minutes. As the veneer slices leave the dryer, They are once more reassembled to reconstruct the log which never separates. The identification tags are subject to several verifications. The last step involves examining and classifying the veneer. An expert carefully inspects each log to make sure customers receive quality veneer that meets strict standards. They are cut with a guillotine to obtain sheets that are even in length. A similar clipping or cutting procedure is performed to produce a sheet of a proper width on a double guillotine. There are almost no limits when it comes to veneer. Maple, oak, birch and alder, cherry and ash. Whatever wood is chosen, veneers help to improve the work of many craftsmen in countless other industries, both here and abroad. Exports of these products are now playing a vital role in the strategic development of companies within our industry.